All right. What I'm going to do right now is explain how you cost estimate a plan. So the plan is up here, and you've got a length of a wall, a length of a wall, a length of a wall. And you've got to pay attention on your diagram. It will be by the squares, by the blocks that you measure. On this one, I have them labeled. So the very first thing you want to do is go to the top of the sheet here, which is this one. Now, the first thing it wants is the length times the width, and then I'm going to times it by how thick the concrete is, which is 6 inches, and then divide by 27. So the length of this first wall is 40 feet, and its width is 28. So you'll fill it in right here, 40 by 28. Now, when you do all the math here, this ends up being 20.7 yards cubed, but we never work with partial yards. You only have holes, so that becomes 21 yards cubed. All right, that's that one. Now, the next thing it asked me to read is outside walls. So, outside walls. So, this is an outside wall. This is an outside wall. This is an outside wall. And this is the outside wall. So, I'll fill in this little table here now. So, the first one was 40 feet. Then it was 28 feet. Then it was 40 feet. Then it was 28 feet. Now, notice there's some extra things. This is a practice cost estimate. So your house may have more walls than this on the outside, but this one only has 4. So this is 136 feet linear. So it's measurement of distance. This first one was cubic. So you'll notice it says yards cubed. When you do these calculations, you have to do them in the units that it tells you to. Okay, now we're going to look at our blueprint and look for inside walls. Here's an inside wall. Here's an inside wall. Here's an inside wall. Here's an inside wall. So inside walls really, total, there are 4 of them. Now I'm going to write down. So this first one is 9 feet. This next one is 17 feet. This next one over here is 16 feet. And the last one up here is 8 feet. Now, you may have more inside walls too, so I gave you some extras there. How many feet is that? That's 50 feet total. Now, the next calculation you're going to do are areas. Notice these are in feet square. So living room is length times width. Kitchen is length times width. Bathroom and bedroom. Now, I've got extra rooms here for the same reason that we don't have a utility room in this. We don't have a second bedroom, and we don't have extra rooms. Your house may. That's why I put these in here, just to get you going. So let's do the living room measurement. Now, the living room measurement is 14 feet by 22 feet. The kitchen is 11 by 24. The bathroom is 12 times 7. These are all feet, so I end up with feet squared. And the last is 15 by 16. Now, when I calculate this is 308 feet squared. This is 264 feet squared. This is 84 feet squared. All I do is multiply 12 times 7 to do that. And this last one is 240 feet squared. Now I've got all those done. Now, other things that I want to do. I want to do cabinets. In cabinets, we have uppers and lowers. So the cabinets are over here and over here. This one is a lower cabinet, so I'm going to write up here on my lower 7 feet. Then I'm going to add this one, 10 feet. And then I'm going to add this one, that's 9 feet. Now, is that all of them? And the answer is no, there's one in the bathroom. So you go over here and look for the one in the bathroom. Here it is. It's 3 feet plus 3 feet. Now, total feet in length, 7, 10, 29 feet. Linear distance. Upper cabinets, they're not labeled on this, sorry. This one is an upper cabinet. It is 4 feet. This is an upper cabinet, which is also 4 feet. So in upper cabinets, I have 4 feet plus 4 feet. Now, I've got enough here to work the other side. This takes care of most of my kind of weird calculation ones. So let's turn the sheet over and start filling in the paperwork. So here we got it. Now, first thing I'm going to fill in is exterior walls. Exterior walls should be 136 times 50 equals 6,800. Interior walls, there are 50 feet. 50 feet times 12 equals 600. Now, I'm going to do my cabinets in oak. So go down here to oak. Now, I don't have anything here, so I don't have to fill anything in. But oak uppers, I had 8 feet of those. And 8 feet is $800. I had 29 feet of these. That's $5,800. Now, all this other stuff, it says number. What that means is you're just going to count them and multiply them by this number over here. So how many exterior, how many interior, is there a sliding glass? These are bathroom windows now. So in the windows, you've got to look at their dimension and then think about where they're placed. I'll show you about those in a minute. Outlets. Down here on the bottom, there's a mistake. This is supposed to be 10 feet, $10 and $15 a square foot. Now, these are sold by the square foot. Carpet and vinyl is sold by the square yard. So when you get your number from the sheet, you're going to divide this one by 9 and then put it in. And we'll show you how to do that real quick. And then we'll do that. And we're going to make each room a little different. So I'm going to put carpet in the living room. I'm going to put wood in the kitchen. I'm going to put vinyl in the bathroom. No, I'm going to put tile in the kitchen. I'm going to spend some money on that. And I'm going to put vinyl in the bathroom. And then I'm going to put wood in the bedroom. Okay? So this is going to be expensive, guys. So now I'm going to go put these in. So wood in the bedroom is 240 feet. So it's 240 times 10. Just to put the floor in there is $2,400. Tile in the kitchen. Ooh, this one's expensive. 264 feet squared. So you turn on your calculator. You go 264 times 15. $3,960. Now I'm going to do carpet in the bedroom. Now clear this. 308 divided by 9. Well, this is a whole number, so you've got to round it up to 35. So that's going to be 35 for the bedroom. Clear it out. 35 times 25, $875. And then the last one is in the bathroom. It's 84 divided by 9, because you got to divide this one by 9. So that would be 10, clear. 10, that's $150. Now, I've got most of my calculations done. The only thing I need to do now is do this area, which we did earlier, and it was 21 yards. So 21 yards, clear, times 75, $1,575 for your foundation. And it's just a slab of concrete that's 6 inches thick. So it's about so deep in concrete. All right. Next thing we want to do is start filling out the rest of this sheet. And I'm going to flip it over. And go down through the list. So exterior doors, I have 2. So on my sheet over here, I'm going to write exterior doors, 2. Interior doors, I've got 1, 2, 3. GFIs, they're the dark ones. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 GFI outlets. So this is electric. Doors. Standard outlets, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 15. So I have 15 standard outlets. Next, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 standard lights. 5 standard, and up here I have 1 fluorescent. 1. So next thing I want is windows. So let's do windows. Windows, I have a refrigerator, a kitchen sink, a stove, a bathroom sink, a toilet, and a tub, 5-foot tub. Okay. So windows, I've got 2-foot windows, but they're bathroom, kitchen windows that are 2 feet long. So I'll count them. I've got 1, 2, 3. That's 2.5. So that's not 4, 5. So I have 5 of those. Now I've got a standard double hung that is 2.5 feet wide. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. And I have 1 picture window. So now I just need to start filling in my sheet. Exterior doors, 2, 3, 700, 300. Bathroom, none of those. No sliding glass. I had 5 of these. 625. I had, that should say 5 feet. Here is 5 feet, sorry. And this should be 1 of these, that's 1,000. Now I need 6 2.5 footers. So I need 6 of those, that's $1,200. Standard outlets, I had 15. Clear. 1125 for outlets, clear. For GFIs, I had 700 and a quarter, right? 875 for the GFIs. Light fixtures, I had 5 standard light fixtures and 1 fluorescent. Clear 5 times 75, 375. Bathroom sinks, I had 1, 125. Kitchen sinks, I had 1, 200. Toilets, I had 1, 250. Tub showers, I had 1, 500. Showers, I had none. Faucets, I had none. Water heater, none, 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 none. Oh, stove, I had 1. Refrigerator, 1. So 600, 500. No dishwasher, no washer, no dryer, no fireplace. So now the only thing I've got left here is roof. We'll do this at a later date. And that should do it. So let's add up what we got. Clear. 6,800 plus 600 plus 800 plus 5,800 plus 700 plus 300 plus 625 plus 1,200 plus 100 plus 1125 plus 875 plus 375 plus 120 plus 875 plus 150 plus 2,400 plus 3,960. So we have 26,805 on this side of the margin. Over here, I need to add up this. And all clear. And we'll add this up. So we got 125 plus 200 plus 250 plus 500 plus 600 plus 500 plus 1,575. So on this side, I've got 3,750 so far. Any trees I have to remove. Let's say I have to remove 3 just because. 750. So I'm at 4,500. Now, on roofing should be about $10,000, just so you know, between $5,000 and $10,000. So you're going to have between $5,000 and $10,000 left over from that. Let's just say we're going to go with 10,000 because. Nah, give it 5. We'll say 5,000. So we're going to go $5,000 here. Subtotal 2 is $9,500. With the other, which was 26,805. $31,305. Now, we got to get taxed by 3%. How do you do that? you take the 31,305 times 0.03 equals 939.15 for the building permit. Grand total plus $31,305, $32,244.15. And that's how you do a cost estimate. Now, here are all those numbers that I was just talking about. And you can look at those and take a picture if you need to, zoom in if you need to, and see how I filled it in. So I added a $5,000 roof. We will do the calculation for the roof, but you can't do that until you build the house. But if you save between $5,000 and $10,000 at the end in your budget, so when you get your budget, if you're around, say, $63,000, you're going to be able to afford your roof. Okay? That's all there is to this, guys. And thank you very much.